Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. And we're starting with technical analysis for EUR-USD currency pair. Evangelos Poulakis explains.
May ended with a bullish bias from the EUR-USD pair, but it's difficult to support the upward potential on the monthly candlestick, as it is currently obstructed by the fact that the pair is in an uncertain area. At the same time, if we look at the lower time frames, the charts also show uncertainty and consolidation in the nearest areas. On the weekly and daily time frames, the pair is currently facing a cluster of the resistance levels at 1.0863, 1.0871 and 0.885, which limit the consolidation area from above. If the price breaches these resistance levels, the bulls will direct their attention to eliminating the weekly Ichimoku death cross, 1.0935. The lower boundaries of the zone are formed by a cluster of support levels around 1.0817, 1.0795. Overcoming and a firm consolidation below these levels will provide bearish prospects. Uncertainty prevails on the lower timeframes. The market is almost at a standstill, relying on the key supports of the lower timeframes, which have now converged around 1.0844 central pivot level and 0.848 weekly long-term trend. It's a brown line on a graphic. If the situation changes, bullish activity will emerge intraday, though the resistances of classic pivot levels 1.0883, 1.0919 and 1.0954, while you can take note of the support of classic pivot levels 1.0812, 1.0777 and 1.0741 for the bearish bias.
Here is Laurie Bailey with pound sterling dollar pair forecast. Let's have a look.
The British pound continues to rise ahead of the upcoming European Central Bank and Federal Reserve meetings. If the pound maintains this momentum, it could reach the target level of 1.2826 by the ECB meeting on June 6. By then, a divergence with the Marlin oscillator might form. We can confirm the sharp rise once the price breaks above Friday's high of 1.2765. If the price falls back below 1.2745, it might continue to gradually fall towards 1.2635, potentially accelerating this movement around the ECB meeting. On the 4-hour chart, the price has reached the resistance of the Kijun-Sen indicator line, 1.2765. The Marlin oscillator has settled in the positive territory. If the oscillator as a leading indicator manages to pull the price above the Kijun-Sen line and above Friday's high, the pound could aim for the 1.2826 target. If the price consolidates below 1.2745, it might break Friday's low of 1.2699 to move towards 1.2635.
We've got a trading plan for UUSDJPY currency pair. Miroslav Bawulski explains.
With the EMA 50, which condition is above the EMA 200, on the H4 time frame chart, it gives an indication that the golden cross condition confirms that buyers are still dominant in the UUSDJPY currency pair. At this time, where in the near future it has the potential to test the 157.50 level, but as long as it does not penetrate above 157.70, then USDJPY still has the potential to be corrected down to the level of 156.57. If this level is successfully broken down, USDJPY continue its weakening to the level 156.00 as the main target, and level 155.60 as the next target to be aimed at.
That's all for today. See you next time.